Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be replacing these headlights, which are a little yellowed and kind of antiquated looking, for some more modern ones that are a little blacked out. Alrighty, let's get moving. And there you have it. It really changed up the way this front end looks. Made it a little more modern, which is really what we were looking to do. Alrighty, just remember, whenever you're installing these are two separate pieces, and these are two separate pieces. I accidentally installed these two and put the whole grill back together, which was very disappointing whenever I put it all back together and realized this still had the old bits in it. But yeah, other than that, it's a pretty smooth installation, and yeah, good luck with your installation, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Alright, remember to like and subscribe, and take care. Bye.